How to use the new electricrate.com business electric rate search engine finder. We're very excited about this new feature. So here's how you do it. If you're not already on a page that has the rate listing widget, simply go to the home page, electricrate.com, click on the blue button looking for commercial electricity rates. Now, as soon as you click that, you'll see that the system is trying to locate where you are so that it can populate all the different rates automatically. So if that happens, great. If it can't find out where you are, simply scroll down. You'll see the search parameters. Click on the little arrow, type in your zip code. So we're going to use a zip code in North Dallas in Plano, Texas. And just by putting in that zip code, it's going to start the search engine query. Is going to start getting different rate offers from dozens of suppliers, and it's going to pull up dozens and dozens of rates. There is a bunch of information in the search parameters. If you know all the information, great. If you want to call or book a consultation with us to help you walk you through it, you can do that as well. The most important things you have to fill out here are this: the zip code, the start date. So it will automatically do the earliest start date, which will be the next month, or the current month, depending on if it's the beginning of the month. You can switch that. So if you want to make it, you can start, let's say, 2 months from now. That's going to update the rates because the electricity pricing is based on when the contract's going to start. So you got the zip code, the start date, and then you want to update the annual usage, how much power your business is actually using per year. It starts off here at automatically populates it at 37,000 kWh. Let's say you use a bit more. Let's say you use about 10,000 a month, so that's going to be 120,000 kWh a year. And you could find this information on your electric bill. But again, if you have troubles, feel free to give us a call or really book a consultation. Book a consultation with myself or one of our other business electricity broker experts. So, set it to medium load. And then the current rate is just an estimate. If they're estimating what, this doesn't mean that they know exactly what you're paying. So this is an estimate of what the rates have been in the last several years. Excuse me. And this, if you want to know how much you're going to save, maybe based on what you're currently paying, you can update this. So let's say you're currently paying 14 cents per kilowatt hour. You have a contract in place. It's 14 cents. It says it on your electric bill, and you want to know how much you're going to save. Put in 14, and it'll automatically, kind of populate those savings. Okay, so now we have a bunch of rates. The first two, they're going to give the best rate, and then the highest savings. The highest savings is based on the contract term. So this is a 5-month contract, and you're going to save about $750 a month. The rate is, under 6.5 cents. So these savings again are based on the current rate that you put in. Let's just update that. Let's say you're only paying 10 cents per kWh. It's pulling everything. So now it's saying you'll save $350 a month. So you go down, you'll see there's just going to be so many different rate offers. And on the side here, you can sort through them. So maybe, the most important thing to sort through is going to be the term. Do you want to, if you want to lock in a 60-month 5-year contract, that's going to produce the most savings, but maybe for whatever reason you only want to look at 12-month contracts. So in that case, you can take out all these other ones, and now you're just looking at 12-month contracts. And it looks like the lowest one is with Iron Horse Power Services, and their rate is 7 cents, 7.023 cents. There's also sweet spots here. So maybe if, your business is moving, or you only want to lock in a contract for 3 months, 4 months, or maybe you just, for whatever reason, you just want to lock in a contract for a kind of a off number, not 1 year or 1.5 years, but 14 months. You can do that as well. But all things being equal, I would recommend sticking with an even number, like a 1 year, 2 year, 3 year contract. Just because that's where most the suppliers put their best efforts and get those rates down. You can also sort by the suppliers. If you want to just, for whatever reason, if you want to just look at Green Mountain Energy, for example, you've heard they're a good company, you like them. Okay, Green Mountain Energy, 12 months, this is their offer, 8.4 cents. Maybe you want to see what their 2-year and their 3-year looks like. There you go. Okay. All things being equal, though, make all the suppliers compete for you. So, just let all the suppliers compete and see which has the best offer. There's also, you could also sort by product, fixed screen single bill, fixed price single bill. If you don't really know what this means, then, don't worry about it. All these prices are apples to apples comparison. So these rates, are all comparable. We make sure that there's no hidden fees. We make sure the suppliers give us their rates, no hidden fees. Contracts are the same. So these are the rates. So let's say you decide you want to pick one. Okay, let's go with Hudson Energy for whatever reason you like this offer. Quickly hit the sign up button. You'll put in your information here. You'll click continue. It'll ask you for a little bit more information. Once you go through about 3 steps, putting all your information in that you can find on your electric bill, that will lock in the rate. You'll get emailed the actual contract from the supplier, which you can DocuSign. Sign it right through your email, and that's it. We'll take care of the switching process. We'll contact your previous supplier and let them know that you switched. You don't have to do that, and now you're saving money. So that's all there is to it. It's a very simple process. If you need any help, book a call, book a consultation with us, and let's lower that electric bill.